Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to change the country on your Android device. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is head over to your device's settings. Now, the exact location might vary depending on your Android phone. But for some, you can find it under Region. If that's the case, simply select Region, and you'll be taken to the right place to change your country. However, for some devices, it's not that straightforward. Now, in the search bar, type Region. If you will see related results, click on it. If not, then type Country in the search bar. Looks like we've got some results for country. Let's click on that and explore further. Here, you'll see a list of options. In the options, click on the Your Current Country option. And your current country might already be detected. In my case, it's automatically identified. Now, you can scroll through and choose any country you want to set as your new location. In my case, I want to click on the Saudi Arabia. So, I click on it. Now, you can see, Saudi Arabia is selected in my current country. So, there you have it. That's how you can easily change your country on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.